3. On the very first page, these two symbols are introduced to the children: the equality sign, or the sign of equivalence, and the addition, the sign for addition. We introduce it in a way where the two towers are not equal, and we do something to make them equal. We write it at first in this way instead of 3 plus 2 equal to 5, to send the message that this is in equivalence. It is not do the sum or find the answer. But we will do more about that later on. This is simply counting. Here we've got dots to be counted, and they are arranged in a way to facilitate subitizing. That means by simply looking at the number of dots, noticing that it's 3 without having to count every individual dot. There we can see 2 and 3, so it's 5, 5, 5. Here we can notice that it's in 4s. The tables, and this is a very important, a most powerful tool to develop number concept. We call it the number chains. The children simply follow the arrows and they add small quantities, +1, +2, +1, +2, +1. So they explore a certain number range in that way, and that helps them to form the bonds between the numbers. That is followed up by a number line. There's another one like that. We can carry on. This is a very important page that I want to say something about. We've got 12 bananas arranged in different bunches: 6s, 2s, 4s, and 3s, all of the factors of 12. And then we follow that with a number change where they count in 2s, 3s, 4, and 6s, without using the terminology of multiples and factors. We make them comfortable with the idea of multiples and factors. The last one that I want to point out is towards the end of the book, where we've got the birds on twigs to illustrate growth of number sentences and number sequences. Here we've got linear growth, +1, +1, +1, +1, versus exponential growth, where this one doubles every time. So that gives a curve instead of a straight line. That is a very important principle later on in algebra, and we go over into block towers where we make use of this principle. Just notice here that the little birds that have to be counted are not structured, so the child has to make a plan to make sure that they count everyone.